actually hear me? What if a puck like spiked up through there?
I don't think that'd be possible.
If it was a hard enough shot in the shape.
It's not that wide then.
It's like,
Maybe like at the very top, really very top of that one.
yeah. Nah, just let's go like this!
Whose GoPro is that?
Oh,
yeah, there's one over
Nathan's
there.
dad.
Who?
Nathan's dad. Oh, that was a nice pass. What was that, Mojo? Yeah, that was just poison here. That actually looked pretty good. Fix it. Yeah, Ryan. Oh, I thought that was in. I thought that was
If they had scored, the crowd would have been nuts.
in. I know, I thought that was in too. I thought that was in.
It would have been crazy up in her.
If it was.
That's the first down goal. Breathtaking.
Were you here the first game? They won 15-0. Come on, Jimmy. Gabe, you just get in the bag. stuck it right under the